'Cause I just wanna spin you round and round this dance floor. So you're drunk on a love like mine. My window and still kisses. Get your digits if I can find the right line. When you don't do feelings, then baby, if you're willing, I'ma do my best to change your mind. 'Cause the way you stole my heart without a sign, girl, it ought to be a crime.
That's so much fun. I'm just following you. You make me stressed. A bit. No. Wait. Wait, I'm gonna hold my phone.
I want to swim in there.
You do?
Yeah.
Oh, we don't have enough time. This is our place last night here in Pattaya. Look at this. Oh, okay, we're going. So this is an Airbnb place and this is for we have the pool. And now we're going out to get some almusal. But it's not a real almusal actually. It's just small like snack, like bread. Where are we going?
Pagkain.
Almusal. So this place is really nice. And it's just an Airbnb. Okay, we're going.
Right here, this way.
Okay. Olympus. That's where we stay for the night. So we're out to hunt food for almusal. We have fruits like this in Makati as well. There's dragon fruit there. Thai massage. Babe, when are we going to the Thai massage? And oh, I always see this uniform. This ate girl. Like a Thai uniform. Thai ate. So we found this place. Well, again, can't read what's in the menu. But this one, that one is ordered because Korea said we can't see any noodles. But I don't know what's in there. I'll translate what that is. So we just sit here for the vlog. So what do you think this is? Pork?
Beef.
Beef?
Beef.
Beef?
Beef.
Okay. What's that? I think it's intestines. So we will share
Good thing we
this.
got one. This is a lot.
Yeah, this is a lot. Like, look at that portion. See? That's a lot. Try the soup. I see. This is blood.
No, it's liver.
Hmm?
It looks like liver.
It is blood.
Oh, then this is liver.
Yeah, that's liver. Pork, no?
Yeah.
But what is this?
It's definitely beef.
What? Cola? Drink? You want any drink?
How much?
25.
What kind? What kind? Two. No, what drink? What drink? We're usually what we want, babe. We don't have to finish this all. Like, if you just want the broth and the noodles, I'm fine with that. But I like the liver.
I look at this chewy.
Babe, what if I was like really picky and I'm like, oh no, we can't eat this now. What if I was like
No, we
that?
have. Oh no, that's dirty. It's not in the mall.
Yeah, what if I said
You
that?
go travel on your own. You're so busy. Well, it's fine if you can pay for everything, but it's sometimes it's better in the streets, diba?
Yeah.
Liver.
I tried it. It's okay. This one, no.
Are you sure?
Here, I'll eat it again. It's protein at least.
Because I'm trying to figure out what this is. What's that? I know there's like blood, intestine, and the liver. But that one I can't figure out. But he ate it. He said it's fine, but I don't know what it is.
Might be testicle.
That's what I think is because it's circle.
But it could also be kidney though.
How does kidney look?
Hey, thank you. Oh, we should put some spices in here. I forgot about that.
Thai tea?
Hey, that tastes really good.
Oh,
Okay,
thank you.
good.
Really good.
Alright, how much?
Go.
More?
We're so into Thai tea lately. I think I want to buy Thai tea for home, like pasalubong.
Big, it's good. It's good. I'm telling you, it's really good.
Because I also like the 10 herbs we got last night. It was the brand that you bought for the Thai tea. It's the same brand. Yeah, it's the same brand. It's like Changtru.
Try a little bit. Can we want more? I think I want a little bit more.
Of what? Go ahead. Yeah, I'm fine. So this is good, Thai tea. But where
That's
else?
really good. I'm like really.
Oh, where are we going today? Just
We're going to a Trat city.
chat. Okay.
Yeah.
So from here, we just had a quick rest last night because we already booked the Airbnb. It was so good. I will show you later how it looks like because it's so clean and comfortable and cute. And then we're supposed to check out by 12 p.m. 12 noon. And we went out around 10 a.m. This is like a quick light breakfast. Yes. And then we'll travel now to Trat because that's where we can ride the ferry going to Koh Chang. So we're going to Koh Chang this afternoon.
Oh man, that's good, babe.
I really love it now.
Yeah.
Babe, where are we?
We're in Pattaya. Oh,
What?
secret.
Secret.
What is yours?
You did not get it. We're in secret. So now, after the quick light breakfast, he actually wants a massage. This one we found. Are we going here? Should we go here? What do you think? Huh? So we settled with this Thai massage, 1 hour full body massage. And then Thai. Okay, we're going. Wow. But this smells good, babe. And it looks clean. Neko-chan. Oh, does it move? Oh, it moves. I want something like this someday. Hello. Babe, copy the cat. You're like a snake. You should fist. Make up. Yeah.
Where are you?
Thai massage place. We randomly saw this while walking down the road.
Yeah. What's your name?
Hmm?
What's your name?
Tita.
Okay.
Babe, don't show them.
We're going for our first.
Naked.
We're going for our first Thai massage together as a couple, doing our date. Yeah.
So we're gonna start now. Yeah, we're gonna start now. We'll be
Okay.
right back. You like it so far, babe? Ooh. Legs. The hips. Ah, finally. Your face. Skinny. Oh my gosh. You like it? So you're gonna get changed now.
Yeah. It was really good. What?
Wait, what can you say?
It was pretty good.
It's really
Feel
good.
pretty relaxed.
Well, one thing I wanted is like, you know when you're gonna put oil? Because the last time I did
Yeah, well,
was like the oil.
That's what I did too.
Yeah, so I think I'm kind of, I'm gonna thinking I want something with oil next time.
I
So-
did too.
Okay.
They put tiger balm.
They did on our feet.
Yeah.
Right.
But
Okay.
it was overall good.
It was really good. I was about to fall asleep, but sometimes, sometimes it just gets too strong, but I like it. He dropped on the bed. He dropped on the bed. He was so fast asleep. I almost fell asleep, but there was just, sometimes it's just too strong, and I was like, oh, I'm wide awake again. But it was really good. I don't know if you can hear it. Saying it like that earlier. But yeah, we'll just get ready. And then our stuff are ready now in our Airbnb. And then we'll go. Leave now. Check out. Okay. I just changed back to my clothes. But it was good. 1 to 10. 8. But it was good. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. We're done.
We gotta go, baby. Come on.
Feels so good. I don't know what it's called, but it's folded like that. And the outer part tastes like the barquilla. The barquilla we have in Philippines. And in the middle there's like whipped cream.
Yeah. It's a whipped cream.
But I don't know what's in the middle. Why is it orange?
Cheese.
It's cheese? But it's dark orange.
Oh, I want a different one. I don't know what that is.
I don't know what it is. Kind of tastes like sweet potato or squash. Not sure. But it's good. So good.
I like these little small things to eat. More than just a big meal.
I like to try small portions of everything we can see outside. See that? I don't know what that is, but it's good. Harap niya. Nakaya ba siya? Hindi ko sure kung ano talaga yun. Wow. Counterflow. So this is our place. Our room is somewhere out there. I'm just not sure. Basta it's sixth floor over there. Just don't know which one. And this is called Olympus, which you can see all. It's called Olympus. Yeah, it's so pretty. This is the whole place. So much for an Airbnb. It looks so pretty. Like you can really live here and you won't feel as if you have this kind of neighborhood. Because when you're inside here, it's like a whole new place.
I think the water's warm.
This feels surreal. Is it warm?
It's warm. It's warm.
It's warm.
Baby.
I like, oh, I want to stand there and just... We should take a picture here. This is our place. Our room is 616 and that is ate ready to clean the place now. So this is our place. Kind of small but pretty and comfortable. He also gave us like 2 bottles of water, which I want to get. Oh, we have fruit spa. Water. have an AC. And this room is so pretty. You can close it like that. Yeah, close it like that. So nice. And the bedroom, please don't mind how it's messy right now. But the thing is, when you open this, like, look at that. Wow. We had a really good morning earlier. We saw the sunrise here by the bed. So pretty. Oh, let's check. Okay, I'm not forgetting anything because we're about to go. So I'm going to sit down. And yeah, we have a balcony. Small balcony, nothing much here, but still it's pretty. Just imagine this from the outside. The balcony is really pretty. If only you have like a small table here and chairs, good for breakfast when the sun is rising. And yeah, that's it for Pattaya City. Later we're gonna travel to Koh Chang. And we're gonna leave now. Bye! Duffel bag, luggage bag, baby. And I have also
I'm gonna take a big one. I'm gonna take the big one.
Yeah. So overall, I have one backpack, this tote bag, this small luggage bag. This is on this duffel bag is mine. Just some fruits over here, and this one is the airport. Yeah, the airport damaged it. Like I will show you. They broke it. Like it's missing one. Come on, like see, you have the wheel there, but right here, no more wheel. It will fall. See, it falls like that. Yeah. They damaged my bag. Anyway, we're trying. Hold you. Before. Okay, stay. And he's trying to find a taxi for us. Clear garden. A chicken. What is this? I don't know what's wrong with them. But we're hungry. So we're hungry. I don't know what this is. But this is 70 baht. I can't remember how much this one is. But they said, she said this is spicy. That one is not spicy. It's chicken. This is a long way to eat food. So I don't know. What is this? Looks crispy. So, this is all that I bought. Basta sa hindi ko maalamang dahilan mukha siyang masarap. So, umorder lang ako. Basta isang manok na inihaw. So, gusto ko lang ulit ipakita kasi kita nyo naman. Ang ganda-ganda. Balat ako. Pero, ang ganda kasi dito. Diba? Diba? Para kang nasa ibang lugar. Para kang nasa ibang bansa. Kahit na okay, sige, Thailand to. Pero, ako, ang sarap pa dito magstay ng mas matagal. Pero kasi, ito nyo yung mga pool. Warm siya kanina. Yung hinawakan mo. Ang ganda. Gusto ko mag-picture doon. Pero kasi, wala lang. Tinatabad lang ako sa sobrang init kasi tumayo dito sa labas. Para nakatamad ng picture. Pero ayun. Rawr. And ayun, naghahanap lang talaga kami ng masasakayan papuntang Trat. Kasi kailangan na namin ng biyahe papuntang Trat. Pero yung place talaga namin dito sa building na to. Delos building. So, siyang kami dumaan. Tapos 6th floor. Maganda. Yeah. So, maghahanap pa ng sasakyan. So, ito, hindi ko alam kung ano to. Basta maanghang daw to. Kusa lang natin kung ano to.
We call it like the hotel. We call it like the hotel, man.
เขาเป็นฝรั่งเด้อคุยเอา ใช่กว่าร้านเฮ้ยไม่ใช่กว่าช้างแล้วจะไป
Puso
กว่าช้าง
siya ng saging. Yeah.
Yeah. Wait, hold
แท็ก
on.
ซี่
Here's the taxi driver. He's on the other phone.
Then. Ulam pala to, ulam.
Hello?
Hindi pala siya basta. Akala ko sabi with rice. So, ibig sabihin pala, kakainin siya with rice. Pero, wala siyang rice sa loob. Sa mga bansa yun, yung may rice na sa loob, yung ganito. Yun yung gusto kong kainin. Parang meron sa Pilipinas yun. Ano pang tawag?
Hello?
Kasi ito, baka ito yung rice. Ito yung rice. Para siyang inihaw something.
Wait, hold on. Who's the driver?
Ikaw ito, alam buksan. Anyway.
แป๊บนึงเด้อผมกำลังหนีคุยกับหนีกันอยู่
No, I don't know who's coming.
Para siyang ube and cassava.
Okay. Is this the driver? Okay. Here's the driver is on the other line right
Sticker
now, but
rice.
it's kind of hard to hear because of the speakerphone.
This is good. It's sweet. Yeah, good choice na I bought this.
Or
Sarap. Sarap.
ได้ไหม
Hindi sila.
ใช่ครับคนขับแท็กซี่ครับ
Tapos na nagtindihan yung nangyayari dun sa taxi namin. Iniisip ko pagkain. Kasi ako, tanghali na kasi. Mars na ba? Alas 12 mahigit.
เพิ่นถามว่าไอ้เมารถจากพัทยาไปทาเรือไปกอดสร้างจังหวัด
Kasi to, chicken. Tinachop ko lang siya. Nakain ko na siya ng ganun.
ว่าอย่างไรครับ
Gusto ko kasi yung gatil.
ภาษาบรรลุราคาได้บ่
So, don't blaming ngatang-ngata talaga ako. Gusto ko yung gatil. Mas marami naman siya. Pero, parang pang isahang portion lang ito eh. Pero, of course, share lang kami niya. Bahala na. Magustuhan niya mamaya. Kain lang ako ng bear slide.
ใช่ครับ
Ang palipas gutom lang.
where's the banana heart?
That one.
I don't-
You
I'm
gonna
not-
open it?
I'm not a big fan of this one.
Can I eat this?
Yeah.
Okay, I like it. You open it, but I'm not sure if you will like it because I don't. You open it here because some juice falls,
Oh.
drops. Banana heart, but it's kind of spicy. I'm just not used to how they seasoned it compared to like in Philippines, so I don't like it.
Ooh, wow.
You like it?
That's spicy.
Yeah, you want to cut the rice part? Because I like it like when you eat the ube with the rice.
That's interesting.
I like this.
Where's the anyhow?
Yeah, that's chicken.
This one?
Mm-hmm.
No pork?
No pork, there's pork, but to me it looks fatty. So I did not buy.
No pork.
A fork? No fork.
Yeah,
It's grilled chicken.
Try Thai chicken.
That's pretty normal street food chicken.
Yeah.
Grilled chicken.
Wait, where's the sauce?
No sauce. Has it. Yeah.
That's tender.
Yep. This is like a little meal again. Not a complete meal. Just little snack. So we won't be too hungry later. Koh Chang, but before Koh Chang, where are we headed to right now?
Trat.
Trat. Yeah. Ngayon,
That is so fun.
nandito na kami sa Laguna. Bandang Santa Rosa. Or what? Mga bandang Santa Rosa na to. Joke lang. Thailand pa din to. Kamukha lang talagang Pilipinas. Oh! Mukha talaga siyang Pilipinas. Natatawa lang ako kasi deep inside feeling ko parang ako nasa Pilipinas. Ang kakaiba lang, iba yung pwesto ng kalye, iba yung pwesto ng driver's seat. Tapos hindi ko maintindihan yung mga nakasulat, pero okay lang din. Parang lang ako nasa Estex. And mahaba-haba pa yung travel namin, so chika-chika lang. Ano? Diba?
Opo.
So time check, 8:28. Wala pa kaming matinong tanghalian actually. Yeah. Snacks lang din yung pinaka-alusan namin kanina. Ngayon, ano ginagawa natin? What are we doing?
Gusto ko gatas mo.
What are you doing?
Eating lanzon.
Longkong. And I'm eating orange. And he peeled it for me. Because I said, feed me. And he peeled it for me. We still have a lot, actually.
Gusto ko gatas mo. That's so funny. Oy!
Still have a lot. Persimmon, guava, one more orange, more lanchones. Just one for now. And how far are we? Maybe 1 hour left now.
Yeah.
Maybe 1 hour left until we're in Trat. And we're
Assuming no traffic.
Maybe. We're in Chantaburi now. We just need to get to that like pier for the boat ride to Koh Chang. And that'll be fine. I just want to rest on our place and like eat for dinner. Hapunan. Konti na lang. Konting push pa. Ano na tayo? Oh! They're watering the trees, so I don't think we do that in Philippines. Because here I just saw a big water container truck watering the plants in the middle of the road, like real trees and grass in the middle of the road. It's part of the road. Wow. They have enough budget to water it. Wow. But Philippines have a lot of rain already. Too much rain lately. So ngayon, malapit na kami sa ferry port. I'm actually maganda looking. A bit
that looks like that one really looks good.
modern and old style. Okay. Now we're gonna buy our ticket. We're fine.
Just buy it. I'll stay right here.
Okay. So, nakabili na kami ng ticket and we also had this, parang for 4,000
Wait, no order now,
baht.
baby.
Yeah, for 4,000 baht, makakauwi kami ng Bangkok from here. So, okay na rin yan. And, hindi na kami ng pagkain kasi wala talaga kami natulong kain mula kanina. And let's see, ano meron dito?
Wait, this one.
Gana.
This one.
Okay.
You like that one or
Yeah,
different?
I want that one number. What?
Or do you want that one?
I don't know what that is. So we got a ticket, some food. Sorry, I was carrying all of my stuff. We're going to the boat now because it will leave within 15 minutes. Ticket. Okay, thank you.
So not only you got a duffel bag, you also got a backpack too.
Yeah, I know. We gotta see all the outfits I have there. So we're going now.
So woman, I'm much bigger than you, and yet I have less stuff than you do.
Because you only have a shirt and a short and the pants.
Oh.
It's turning around now. Wow.
But
Yeah.
we're getting a massage tonight.
Oh yeah. You can. Just relax for tonight.
Yeah.
So here's the place, the port. I think they will let all the cars in next. That's why the boat is turning now. So, yeah. This will be just 30 minutes ride. And oh, all the passengers are there. Okay. That's the boat we will be. It's not really a boat, it's a ferry, right? Should we go there? Waiting point? That's the tourist and passenger waiting point. We go there. So ito na yung barko. Wait, this is the barko. And we ordered this food. I don't know what it is, but they said it's
It's
Chicken.
Pad Thai, John.
what the?
Something like that.
I don't know. I did not understand what it's called. But that is chicken. Because I don't know if we can. Oh, it's closed.
Back there.
Your backpack.
How do you say?
So yeah, it looks like pad thai.
It says different
but,
from pad thai.
But it's a different variant though.
Hmm?
But it's still the noodles, the rice noodles. You sit on this plastic. Sit on this plastic.
Well, put it in there.
Okay.
You keep on taking it out, babe.
Sorry, what? Okay.
All right.
pero napakadami kong damit. Yung ending, nagpalit na kami ng buhat. Narubuhat ko yung backpack niya at saka yung maliit niyang maleta kasi mas magaan. Eh ako, backpack, duffel bag, luggage bag, ha, tatlo. Pero kasi, meron doon naman sa kaunting damit mo sa bag ko. Tapos mga chinelas lang naman yung duffel bag. Pero kasi sa luggage bag, ito din yung blower, outfit, diba? Oh. Ganun talaga. I'm just a girl in this world. Kain lang siya. Kain daw. Sige lang. Busin mo na. Sige lang. Okay lang. Sige. Okay lang naman.
Opa. Oh no, actually, no.
This egg. This egg. No more noodles. Just one. So good. Ay. Masama yung panahon basta dun, no? Sobrang lakas ng hangin. Babe, ang lakas ng hangin. Act like you're getting blown away. Ah. Stop it. Your reputation. Protect your reputation. Pero yun, legit. Legit ang lakas ng hangin. Pati yung lashes ko nililipat. Pero sana lang hindi umuulan. Baka lang malapit sa mga panahon na malapit ang hangin. Pero, hindi tayo sure. Parang naulan sa Koh Chang. Maybe it's raining in Koh Chang right now. Ooh. That's so cool. Over there, there's raining. Yeah, we're almost there and it's raining, babe. It's raining. Naulan. Naulan.
Naulan.
Ngayon.
Ngayon lan. Time for lakad.
Grabe! Patating pa lang kami, inulan na. Babe, we're about to arrive, but it rained. I had to wear a shirt because it's so cold. Too cold. Babe, look outside. It's the rain off. It's so cold now.
Shit. Shit.
Why?
You hear this? That's the
Yeah,
raindrops.
this is rain. I know. We're just about to run in the rain. Why? Oh no! Ah! But do we have that? They go to some.
Shield you from the rain.
Wait.
I will shield you from the rain.
In Tagalog. What?
Go, babe. This whole area sucks.
Come here. Here, over here, babe. In the middle. In the middle.
I just screw the stuff.